Good morning, my dear children. Open your English 2 book. Open the page number 58. Yesterday, I started a new chapter, chapter 8, Sam and Mama Heron. And I explained you the story of this part. Means yesterday, I explained you the story from this part. Today, we'll learn what is the story about in this part. Okay, so turn to page number 58. Let's see now. A few days later, Sam, please go and buy some bread. So what we see in this picture, that there is a lady and a boy. So this is Sam and she is his mother. Okay, now what is she doing? She is giving him coins to buy some bread. See, Sam, please go and buy some bread. Sam sees his friends. He stops to play with them. Now on the way, Sam sees his friends and his friend stops him to play with them. Oh, I have to buy bread. Oh, I have to buy bread. Sam cannot find the coins in his pocket. Sam cannot find the coins in his pocket. Oh dear, I can't find the coins. Why are you crying? I can't find the coins. I can't buy bread. Mother and I don't have anything to read. Mama Heron looks for the coins. She sees the coins shining in the water. Here are the coins. Thank you. You are very kind. So now I'll explain you. Okay. So what we see in the first picture, that his mother gives him the coins to buy some bread. His mother tells him to buy some bread. Now in the next picture we see that Sam sees his friend, he stops to play with them. So on the way he sees his friends and his friends stops him to play with them. And so he also starts playing with them. Okay. Suddenly then, oh, I have to buy bread. He remembers that he has to buy a bread. While playing, he remembered that he has to buy a bread. But at that time, he cannot find the coins in his pocket. Now see, he is checking the pocket. So he cannot find the coins in his pocket. It means that he has lost the coins while playing. While playing, he lost the coins. Now in the next picture we see Sam, he is crying. See, why are you crying? I can't find the coins. I can't buy bread. Mother and I don't have anything to eat. To whom he is telling all this? He is telling all this to a bird, Mama Heron. Because during that time, Mama Heron sees him and asks him that why was he crying? And he replied that he cannot find the coins which his mother gives him to buy bread. And also tells her that his mother gave him the coins to buy bread, but he lost on the way while playing with his friends. Now he and his mother have nothing to eat. Now see, Mama Heron looks for the coins. She sees the coins shining in the water. Now Mama Heron, she decided to help him and she starts looking for the coins in the water. And she sees the coins shining in the water. And she says that here are the coins. And she gives him the coins. The boy felt very happy and said her that you are a very kind bird. Okay, so the chapter is completed. I hope you have understood the story from both the part, from this first part and second part. So the exercise work we will do in the next video. So for today only this much. Thank you.